If you have problems with the mobile internet on your Redmi 14C, let's try to solve them. First, reset the network settings. Open the Settings menu on your device, then select More Connectivity Options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. After that, press the Reset Settings button and OK. Now the network settings have been reset. Sometimes it is enough to make the problem disappear. After that, you can check your SIM card. Turn off the phone and carefully remove the SIM card to check if it is correctly installed and make sure that the contacts are clean. So after checking the SIM card, insert it back into the slot and make sure it is securely fastened. Then turn on the phone and check if the mobile internet is now working. Then try to reboot the phone. Turn off the phone by pressing and holding the power button until the switching off menu appears. Reboot it and wait for a few seconds, then turn the device back on. Often a simple reboot can solve temporary outages. If it doesn't help, you can try full reset to factory settings. But remember, before doing this step, make a backup of all the important data since they will be deleted. Go to Settings, then About Phone. On the bottom, click on Factory Reset, erase all data, and now you can back up the documents to the mobile device or to the computer. And after that, click on Factory Reset. Follow the instructions on the screen to finish the process. Also, you can try the APN setting, which means Access Point Name Setting. Open the Settings menu and go to Mobile Networks. Then choose your operator and Access Point Names. Here you click on New APN and in the fields Name and APN, just type Internet. Then just save it and choose the new APN. After completing all steps, check whether the mobile internet is working. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy!